What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the daily recap. Today is gonna be a quick one, just because I didn't really trade much. I only made 2 trades. Today was, as you may know, was FOMC day, which means crazy price action, crazy volatility, and yeah, normally I don't really trade that much at FOMC. Yeah, let's go over the chart. So the daily chart, daily candle looked a little. I mean, it actually kind of looked a little neutral to me, in my opinion. But I mean, we did had an overnight downtrend working down, but it wasn't anything super crazy. My first trade of the day was this failed signature long. You can see there's you can see that downtrend was working down, and I only traded 1 contract, and the reason is because it was right at the open, and usually at the open volatility gets kind of crazy, and I didn't want to risk 2 contracts, so I just traded with 1, and basically, it's basically, like I said, pretty straightforward trade. It's failed signature long at the key entry point. And this trend channel, it could be a little bit different. It could be more like this. You do have a break and a new low in place. So pretty straightforward. I did have my notes at the moment. The price in downtrend. We are expecting to break a new low, which we do get right here. And for now, the bias is and the trend is to the downside. Look for entries at key entry points. Like I said, be careful with FOMC at 1 o'clock. And yeah, really, that's pretty much the only trade that I actually took for the rest of the morning. I do not like all this sideways stuff. I hate it. I avoid it. I don't trade it. I just let the price do its thing. I'll take a break and do whatever else I need to do. But I think this range is valid, in my opinion. Maybe not, but that's how I saw it. So you finally do get break out of this range, and I mean, there's some trades here that you might want to take, like I mean, I don't know, maybe this is higher low here, but I don't know, there's just this stuff. I don't do this stuff. There's just this stuff right here. It really is, to me, it's not worth it. It's very slow moving, and you know, once it gets like this, you get impatient and you start, you know, making these random trades that not even there. I like to skip it, and I don't trade that stuff. It's finally gets a breakout, and it pulls back. You get another breakout here as well. I was actually hoping for a high low here, but never got it. But the EMA is flat, and of course we're getting close to the news, and of course the show begins. Crazy up movement, which I didn't expect this up movement, really. I was expecting, you know, a spike up and then all the way down. So I was kind of thrown off by this price action here. So just because with the, you know, what the rates are and everything like that. So spikes up and then goes to a little chop area here. Then you do get a break and a new low in place, and this is my second trade of the day. It's a failed signature short. Like I said, the problem here is it's kind of congested and it's flat EMA. So with this break and new low in place, I felt confident taking it. You do have an option working up, and you have a break and new high expected. So you at least expect the price to kind of hit the whatchamacallit, the bottom of the range. And I actually traded 1 contract here as well, but I traded for, I believe it was 2 points. It was let me see, what was it? Maybe it was 1 point. It was 3 points. So yeah, on 1 contract, 3 points. Yeah, I had a feeling that I was gonna test these bottom of the range, maybe even the midline, but I don't know. I'm not really sure if this range is valid, to be honest with you. I like it here, but maybe it's like this, you know, just that. I do like this here, but I mean, you can see overall it was just a range. either way, how you saw it doesn't really matter, but it worked. And yeah, and it goes back up. You got break new high in place, goes back down. You expect a new low, you never get one. Goes a little chop, congestion, whatever this is, area, and then breaks out again. It pulls back down, and we have this huge downtrend working down, and this is massive. And this is what I was expecting. Like, I was expecting this from the news all the way down. That's what I was expecting. And you can't really, I mean, I guess you can. I mean, if there's a lower high here, but the candles are so big. Like I you know, to me, I can't do that. That's 27 ticks, or yeah, 36 ticks, 27 ticks, 24 ticks. I can't trade it. Even on one contract, I can't. I mean, one contract is 36 ticks, $450. That's, I don't know. Maybe you switch to micro ES and trade that. I don't know. I really don't know. You just skip the day, really. You know, take a day off and come back at it tomorrow. You know, so. But really, that's really how I saw it. And again, these candles are just too big. I you know, I mean, I like I said, I cannot trade those. So, but you can clearly see that there's a huge sell-off. I mean, look at this. Massive sell-off. I was actually looking for a measured move here, but it's you know, it goes down, 2 legs up, goes down again, basically 2 legs up again, goes down. So at least it's consistent, right? Now, if the ATR was a little bit smaller, then I would definitely take some trades, but I just don't want to risk it. So, anyways, I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day. Real quick on an update on the evals. I'm still doing the evals for the for Apex. I did fail one with the order flow, so that's out. I think I'm done with order flow for now. Just like I said before, I'm still still trying to figure out order flow and how to use it. But I did fail yesterday with the order flow. So that is what it is. So just gonna stick with the price action for now, and then yeah, let's see how it goes. Hopefully you had a good day. Hopefully you were safe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, bye.